Becoming wealthy is a multifaceted goal that requires a combination of financial discipline, strategic planning, continuous learning. There are several strategies and principles that many successful individuals have followed. The habits and behaviors of wealthy individuals often differ from those of individuals with lower income or financial struggles. While it's important to recognize that not all rich people share the same habits, here are some common practices and behaviors that tend to differentiate the wealthy from the less affluent. Setting clear goals. Wealthy individuals tend to have specific, well-defined financial goals. They create actionable plans to achieve these goals and regularly review their progress. Continuous learning. Rich people prioritize education and self-improvement. They invest time and resources in acquiring new knowledge, skills, and expertise that can enhance their earning potential and financial acumen. Taking calculated risks. Wealthy individuals are often willing to take calculated risks to pursue opportunities for growth and wealth accumulation. They understand that taking risks is inherent in achieving financial success and are comfortable stepping outside their comfort zones. Living below their means. Contrary to common belief, many wealthy individuals practice frugality and live below their means. They prioritize saving and investing their money rather than indulging in extravagant lifestyles or unnecessary expenses. Investing wisely. Rich people understand the power of investing and regularly put their money to work in various asset classes such as stocks, real estate, bonds, and businesses. They diversify their investment portfolios to manage risk and maximize returns over the long term. Thinking long-term. Wealthy individuals take a long-term view of their finances and make decisions that align with their future goals. They prioritize building wealth over immediate gratification and are willing to delay short-term rewards for greater financial security and independence. Building multiple streams of income. Many wealthy individuals generate income from multiple sources such as investments, business ventures, rental properties, royalties, and passive income streams. This diversification helps safeguard their finances against economic downturns and fluctuations in any single income source. Networking and building relationships. Rich people understand the value of networking and building relationships with other successful individuals. They surround themselves with people who can provide mentorship, support, and opportunities for growth. Taking responsibility for their finances. Wealthy individuals take ownership of their financial situation and make informed decisions about managing their money. They actively track their income, expenses, and investments, and regularly review their financial plans to ensure they're on track to achieve their goals. Maintaining discipline and persistence. Building wealth requires discipline, patience, and persistence. Wealthy individuals remain focused on their long-term objectives even in the face of challenges or setbacks. They understand that financial success is a journey that requires consistency and determination. Giving back to society. Many wealthy individuals are philanthropic and believe in giving back to their communities or supporting causes they care about. They understand the importance of social responsibility and use their wealth to make a positive impact on the world. It's important to note that while these behaviors are common among wealthy individuals, they are not exclusive to them. Anyone can adopt these habits and practices to improve their financial situation and work towards achieving their goals. Changing mindset. Developing a mindset similar to that of wealthy individuals involves adopting certain attitudes, beliefs, and habits that contribute to financial success. Here are some steps you can take to cultivate a rich mindset. Shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Instead of focusing on what you lack or what you can't do, cultivate an abundance mindset by recognizing opportunities and possibilities. Believe that there are ample resources and opportunities available to you, and approach challenges with a mindset of abundance. Visualize your goals. Create a clear vision of your financial goals and visualize yourself achieving them. Use visualization techniques to imagine the lifestyle you desire and the steps you need to take to get there. This can help you stay motivated and focused on your objectives. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Adopt a growth mindset by viewing failure as a natural part of the learning process. Instead of being discouraged by setbacks, see them as valuable lessons that can help you grow and improve. Learn from your mistakes, adjust your approach, and keep moving forward. Take action and initiative. Wealthy individuals are proactive and take initiative to pursue opportunities. Instead of waiting for success to come to you, actively seek out ways to create value, generate income, and achieve your goals. Be willing to step outside your comfort zone and take calculated risks. Invest in yourself. Prioritize self-improvement and personal development. Invest time and resources in acquiring new skills, knowledge, and experiences that can enhance your earning potential and broaden your horizons. Continuously seek opportunities for learning and growth. Surround yourself with success. Surround yourself with people who inspire and motivate you to succeed. Build relationships with individuals who have achieved financial success and learn from their experiences. Engage in networking activities and seek out mentors who can provide guidance and support. Practice gratitude and positivity. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude by appreciating what you have and focusing on the positive aspects of your life. Develop a habit of expressing gratitude regularly, whether through journaling, meditation, or simply acknowledging the good things in your life. A positive mindset can attract more abundance and opportunities into your life. Set high standards and expectations. Raise your standards for yourself and what you expect to achieve. Aim high and set ambitious goals that stretch your abilities and push you out of your comfort zone. Hold yourself to high standards of excellence and strive for continuous improvement in everything you do. Be mindful of your finances. Take control of your finances and make informed decisions about how you earn, spend, save, and invest your money. Develop a budget, track your expenses, and prioritize saving and investing for the future. Be mindful of your financial habits and seek opportunities to optimize your financial well-being. Focus on long-term growth. Adopt a long-term perspective when it comes to your finances and goals. Avoid seeking instant gratification and instead focus on building sustainable wealth over time. Invest in assets and opportunities that have the potential for long-term growth and prosperity. By adopting these attitudes, beliefs, and habits, you can cultivate a mindset similar to that of wealthy individuals and set yourself on the path to financial success. Remember that developing a rich mindset is a journey that requires dedication, persistence, and continuous effort. But the rewards can be significant in the long run. Create assets. Creating assets involves acquiring or developing resources that have the potential to generate income or appreciate in value over time. Here are several strategies to consider when looking to create assets. Save and invest wisely. One of the most common ways to create assets is by saving money and investing it in income-generating assets such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, or small businesses. Invest in assets that have the potential to grow in value or generate passive income streams over time. Start a business. Entrepreneurship can be a powerful way to create assets. Start a business based on your skills, expertise, or passions. Look for opportunities to provide products or services that fulfill unmet needs or solve problems in the market. Build a solid business plan, acquire necessary resources, and work diligently to grow your business and increase its value. Invest in real estate. Real estate can be a lucrative asset class for creating wealth. Consider purchasing rental properties that generate rental income and appreciate in value over time. You can also invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, or crowdfunding platforms that allow you to invest in real estate projects with lower capital requirements. Output. Build intellectual property. Intellectual property such as patents, copyrights, trademarks, and proprietary technology can be valuable assets. If you have expertise in a particular field or creative talents, consider developing intellectual property that can be licensed or monetized. This could include writing books, creating digital products, or inventing new products or processes. Acquire education and skills. Investing in education and skill development can be an asset-building strategy. Acquire knowledge and expertise in high-demand fields that command higher salaries or offer greater opportunities for advancement. Continuously upgrade your skills to stay competitive in the job market or as an entrepreneur. Create passive income streams. Look for opportunities to create passive income streams that require minimal ongoing effort once established. This could include rental income from real estate investments, dividend income from stocks, royalties from intellectual property, affiliate marketing, or peer-to-peer lending. Build a high-value network. Your professional network can be a valuable asset in creating opportunities for career advancement, business partnerships, or investment opportunities. Invest time and effort in building relationships with successful individuals in your industry or niche. Attend networking events, join professional associations, and leverage social media platforms to expand your network. Reduce liabilities and debt. Minimize liabilities and debt that drain your financial resources and limit your ability to build assets. Pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible and avoid taking on unnecessary debt that doesn't contribute to asset creation. Diversify your assets. Diversification is key to building a resilient portfolio of assets. Spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions to mitigate risk and maximize returns. Be patient and persistent. Building assets takes time, effort, and patience. Stay focused on your long-term goals and be persistent in your pursuit of asset creation. Set realistic expectations and be prepared to adapt your strategy as needed based on changing market conditions or personal circumstances. Remember that asset creation is a journey that requires discipline, diligence, and a willingness to take calculated risks. Start by identifying your strengths, interests, and resources, and develop a strategy that aligns with your financial goals and aspirations. By consistently taking steps to create assets over time, you can build wealth and achieve greater financial security and independence. Hey you, who is watching this video, you will become rich. If you agree, hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.